Infinix has just launched a new device that is very attractive due to its powerful specifications, named Infinix GT 20 Pro. With GT in its name, you already know they are trying to replicate a bit of the nomenclature of sports vehicles, so they emphasize a lot on the speed or power it can achieve. Furthermore, the design is quite attractive to certain individuals. Personally, I do not like it, but I have faith that to another set of people it may appear as a highly daring design. So it is equipped with RGB lights on the back cover featuring a 600th design, while the camera module also comes with a colored strip adding unique touches and very distinctive lines to this device. The display is 6.78 inches in size, featuring AMOLED technology and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The bezels are extremely thin, measuring just 2.1 mm in thickness. This screen possesses full HD resolution and achieves a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Additionally, it features a refresh rate of 2340 Hz, ensuring a highly smooth display. Furthermore, we will incorporate the fingerprint reader within this screen. The processor is possibly one of the most attractive features, as it is the MediaTek Dimensity 8201, a processor that will definitely offer a lot of power. It is also accompanied by LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. In the case of RAM, there are versions with 8 or 12 GB and the storage is at 256. However, what's intriguing is that this device doesn't just have one processor. It actually comes equipped with two chips, the standard MediaTek processor and a specialized gaming enhancement chip called Pixelworks X Turbo. As a result, it incorporates numerous gaming optimizations to achieve an impressive frame rate of 120 frames per second in certain content. The battery is 5000 mAh and supports 45-watt charging with the power delivery standard, so you can even use other chargers with this same standard. It is equipped with Android 14 operating system and runs XOS 14 in its veins, also promising to receive 2 years of Android updates, 3 years of security patches, offering stereo sound and a vibration motor on the X-axis. This way, when gaming, you can experience a much more advanced sensation rather than a standard vibration as seen in other lower-tier devices. In the photography department, the main camera features optical stabilization, which is already remarkable, and the sensor is of high resolution, reaching 108 megapixels. The second camera is simply a basic 2-megapixel one, placed there solely for decoration, while the front camera is 32 megapixels. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and also has NFC and even infrared to function as a universal remote control. It has IP water resistance, measures 8¼ millimeters thick, and weighs 194 g. The price of the basic edition is approximately $346, as this device has been launched in Saudi Arabia with 3 different color availability options, although remember that the prices here are not the same as those there. We will need to wait to find out whether Infinix will release this device globally or if it will only distribute it in that particular region. Let's proceed to the next piece of news. Apple persists.